Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we're going to show you how to identify your iPhone's country of origin or manufacturing country in detail. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then select About. In the About section, look for the model number. This is usually a combination of letters and numbers, like MGJE3HN Ray. Now, here's the important part. Pay close attention to the characters just before the / in the model number. These are called regional codes. There are detailed charts available online that list all of Apple's regional codes. To access this, simply open your web browser and type iPhone Regional Codes List. From the results, click on one of the links, and you'll see a full table showing which two-letter codes match which countries or regions. For example, LL means the iPhone was intended for the United States, B is for the United Kingdom or Ireland, J is for Japan, HN is for India. Keep in mind that these codes tell you the destination region, but not necessarily where the iPhone was physically assembled. Most iPhones are assembled in China, India, or Vietnam, and you can sometimes find this information printed on the box. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.